Namaskar friends, welcome you to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. I am Naresh and we are starting today a spell bee quiz. This is the first quarter final. All these spell bees have their way through to the quarter final from a written exam. A written exam of more than 500 students was conducted, and out of them, these are the students who have made it to these 9 have made it to the quarter final. And then of course there will be the second one. Those quarter final will again feature 9 bees, 9 spell bees. Out of these 9, 5 will make their way to the final, semi-final, and similar will be the case other quarter finals. Out of those 9, 5 will proceed to the semi-finals. Well, before we commence this quarter final, let me tell you some rules and regulations of this contest. The first one will be a regulation round in which each student will get 3 words and each correct spelling will fetch you 5 marks. This is not a pass round. Of course, this is not a negative round as well. The second round will be a buzzer round. The buzzer round makes a big difference in the sense that there will be only 9 words in all. The contestant pressing the buzzer first will be given an opportunity to spell the word. If you spell the given word correctly, you get 5 marks. But this being a buzzer round will have negative marking also. In case you press the buzzer and you are unable to spell the word correctly, you will lose 3 marks. So that way, the second round becomes very important. In case you are left behind in the first one, you can make up, but you will have to be very cautious. So, I wish each one of you all the best. Have smiles on your faces and spell each word right. I'll start to my extreme right. Dipti will be the first contestant, and your first word is, in case you are unable to understand the pronunciation, you can ask whether the given word is a noun or a pronoun or an adjective or adverb. That much liberty you have been given, right? So let me start with the first word. The first word for you is recognizable.
RECOG NIGIBLE
is not correct. Your second word is peculiar. Peculiar.
PECULIAR QUI.
is not correct. Your third word is characteristics.
CHA.
CHA
RAC.
RAC
TER.
TER
IS.
IS
TI.
TI
CS.
CS is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks. The next contestant, Ayush, 3 words for you. Your first word is dimensions.
DI. M. EN.
Once you have started, you can take only 15 seconds, mind you. DIMEN,
EN.
time up. आप सभी ध्यान रखें. Before I go for the second word, let me remind you, in your thinking process, you can take 15 seconds, and after you have started to spell, you can take 15 seconds. Right? So the next word is absolutely. Absolutely.
AB. OS.
OS is not correct. Your third word is deception.
DES.
DEI is not correct. So you lose your chance to open your tally. I have done with you. Now you can hand over the mic to the third contestant. And your first word is European.
EU
EU
RO
RO
PEAN.
PEAN. Absolutely correct. 5 marks. Your second word is colonization.
CO LO
COLONI
ZATION.
ZATION. Absolutely correct. 5 more. And your third word is vacuum. Vacuum
VACAN.
is not correct. You can pass on the mic to Love. Love, your first word is wobble.
VO.
VO is not correct. Your second word is twiddling. Twiddling.
TW.
TWI
DD.
double D
LING.
LING. 5 marks. Your next word is violently.
VOI.
Violently
VOI.
is not correct. Your third word is lunatic. Lunatic
UNI.
is not correct. Next, Harsh, your first word is muddle-headed.
MU.
MU double D
LE.
LE HEADED. Absolutely correct. The second word is inexplicable. Inexplicable.
IN. EX.
EX
PLI. CABLE.
CABLE. Absolutely correct. 5 marks. And your third word is violently.
VIO.
VIO
LENT.
LENT
LY.
LY is absolutely correct. So you did it right on the dot. as accurate as the Kargil soldiers were in Kargil, and of course the Indian jets in Operation Sindoor. Time for you. Your first word is characteristics.
CH
CH
AR
AR
AC
AC
TER
TER
STI
is not correct. Your second word is deception.
DIS
Is not correct. Your third word is lunatic.
LU
LUNATIC
NATIC
is correct. 5 marks for you. Your first word is tortoise.
TOR
TOR
TOISE
ISE is absolutely correct. Your second word is whiskers.
WIS
W
I
is not correct. Your third word is venomous.
VE
VENE
NE
is not correct. Next. Your first word is granddaughter.
GRAN
GRAN
D
D
AU
is not correct. Your second word is humorous.
HU
HUM
URO
is not correct. Your third word is attendance.
ATT
ATT
EN
EN
DA
DA
NCE
NCE. Absolutely correct. Your first word is smoldering. Smoldering.
SMAL
SM
AL
is not correct. First half. Okay. Your second word is extinguish.
EX
Extinguish.
EX
EX
TI
TI
GU
is not correct. Your third word is equipment. Equipment.
EQP
EQ
P
is not correct. So I have completed the first round, and after the first round the scores are Ayush yet to open, Sivang 10, Harsh 15, Love 5, Bhavna 5, Anubhav 5, Azhar 5, Diya yet to open, and Dipti 5. The next 9 words will decide who goes to the final round. For this round, you will be given different colors balls in your hands, and whoever is confident should throw the ball immediately. Right? In case I have confusion, I'll go to the judges so that I can seek help from them. The jury members will decide in case of confusion. I request Avi and Chavi to come into the well and give the balls to them. So friends, we are starting the buzzer round. This is a very crucial round in the sense that the team trailing behind can overcome and the leaders can be left behind if they are not cautious enough. So number one, you got to be cautious enough. After I have pronounced the word 2 times, your time starts. You will be given 15 seconds. Within 15 seconds, if you throw the ball, the contestant throwing the ball first will be given an opportunity to spell the word, and that spelling has to be completed within 30 seconds. Right? That fresh time will start after you have started to spell. Right? So 15 seconds for throwing the ball, 30 seconds for completing the spelling of the given word. Ready teams? Hands on the buzzer, balls in your hands, and the jury members are keeping a close eye, but I should say sometimes hurry makes curry. Do not be in unnecessary hurry. Ready? The word is dendrochronologist. Shivang, dendrochronologist. DENDROCHRONOLOGist. Absolutely correct. What a great going, Shivang. The second word is matchstick. Anubhav.
M
Matchstick. 30 seconds counting.
MATCH
MATCH
STICK.
STICK is absolutely correct. You have 5 marks. Balls in your hands. Do not be in unnecessary hurry. Think before you throw the ball. And the next word is appropriate. Appropriate. APP.
ROPRI.
Come again.
ROPRIATE.
RIATE.
ROPRIATE.
Right. Absolutely correct. Okay. The next word is mysteriously. Shivang. MYSTERIOUSLY is absolutely correct. Ready? The next word is covetous. It is harsh. Is wrong. You lose 3 marks. Circumstances. It is Shivans. Circumstances is wrong. You lose 3 marks. The word is restaurant. Bhavna. REST is not correct. You lose 3 marks. And the last word coming up, the word is ambiguous, ambiguous, ambiguous. You got only 15 seconds. I'll go to the audience for the last word. Yes. Who wants to answer? Mahi, okay. I'll go to Mahi.
AMBIGUOUS.
AMBIGUOUS is absolutely correct. And we have toffees for the spectators. This is a new game. You should not consume your toffees. Please preserve them. And these toffees later on will be converted into trophies. Okay? The spectator having the maximum number of toffee will be given a trophy. What a way! Complete the first quarter final. The second quarter final will be held tomorrow. The contestants should be ready for that mouth-watering contest. You and I should also be ready. The contestants qualifying for the final round are Shivang, Harsh, Anubhav. These are the three, but there is a tie between Love, Dipti and Azhar. These three will be given one more buzzer round, and this buzzer round will decide who moves forward. In case we are not, Azhar, please come this side. Love is already there. Harsh, please, if you could move. And Dipti, please come this side. Others, please stand slightly that side. So, let Dipti make her way. Let Dipti make her way. Let Dipti make her way this side. Okay. The next word. These are the three contestants. Ready? Please keep only these three in the frame. And the word for you is vulnerability. The word is vulnerability. vulnerability is although you were slightly hesitant, your answer is absolutely correct. So Dipti is the next one to make it to the final. We are left with only two. Only one of them will go to the final now. Ready? Your word is enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. Mind you, you got only 15 seconds. Come on, take the risk, throw the ball, answer and qualify. Time up. So I'll give you one more word. The next word is, ready? The word is philosophy. Okay, it is almost simultaneously. I'll go to the jury members. Azhar, Azhar gets a chance.
PHI
PHI
LO
LO
SO
SO
PHY.
PHY is absolutely correct. You make it to the final. So the finalists are, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Sorry you missed this time. Congratulations, congratulations, and Diya has missed this time. All those who could not make it this time, I feel sorry for them. One step here and there sometimes can do all this. Doesn't matter, you all are talented. This was the first quarter final. Tomorrow I'll again be with you with the second mouth watering quarter final. आपको हमारा ये कॉन्टेस्ट कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा। आप में से जितने भी दोस्त इस हॉल में हमारे साथ नहीं आ सके ये इतना अच्छा क्वार्टर फाइनल देखने के लिए, हमने भी आपको मिस किया है, लेकिन आप इस वीडियो को देखकर देखिए, स्पेल बी के वीडियोस ऐसे होते हैं कि पूरा परिवार इकट्ठे बैठ के देख सकता है। इसमें ना तो कोई एज का रेस्ट्रिक्शन है, ना ही कोई क्लास के स्टैंडर्ड का। राइट फ्रॉम केजी क्लास टू 10th क्लास। कई बार स्पेल बी में एक 5 साल का बच्चा 15 साल के बच्चे से अच्छा कर लेता है। तो आप सभी देखिए, आपको कैसा लगता है हमें जरूर बताइएगा। और आप में से कुछ यार देखते तो रहते हो, लेकिन अभी तक भी हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है। कर दो यार, सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो। इतना सारा ज्ञान देते हैं, सब्सक्राइब क्यों नहीं करते हो? करना चाहिए। तो अभी इसी वक्त बटन प्रेस करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, और हम और आप जुड़े रहेंगे। और हाँ, अगर ये अच्छा लगे तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कर दो, वो भी थोड़ा सीख लेंगे स्पेलिंग्स। राइट? तो मिलते हैं कल एक और सेमीफाइनल में, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार।